I have some exciting news for you. It's possible to earn more than $40 per hour while enjoying the comfort of your own home. The best part? You don't need any money or prior experience to get started. What's even more incredible is that it's often easier to land these positions compared to traditional jobs. In fact, with some of these opportunities, you can get hired and start earning money on the very same day. Let's start with the first opportunity on this list, internet scoping. Now, I can understand if you're wondering what internet scoping actually means. Internet scoping involves working from the comfort of your own home. Your main task is to assist lawyers in making sense of their complex arguments. Think of it as being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, you'll be unraveling the mysteries of what those lawyers are trying to convey. This particular opportunity is perfect for individuals who possess exceptional attention to detail and enjoy conducting thorough research. I know a person who went from being laid off to earning over $4,500 per month as a scopist. The best part is, if you excel at this job, you could potentially earn even more. Essentially, you'll be acting as a quality control person for the court reporter responsible for recording transcripts. As a beginner in internet scoping, you can expect to earn approximately $500 to $800 per month, working part-time. However, as you gain experience, your earnings can increase to around $1,500 to $4,500 per month, depending on the time of year. It's worth noting that this career tends to have busier periods throughout the year, which can actually be advantageous. If it were a consistently stable career, the earning potential might not be as high. Now, let's consider some of the pros of scoping. You'll have the flexibility to work from home, enjoy flexible hours, and benefit from a steady flow of work. On the other hand, there are a few cons to consider. Repetitive tasks can be a part of the job, and you'll need to constantly stay updated on new software and techniques. If you have a keen eye for grammar and enjoy pointing out errors, an internet scoping career could be an ideal fit for you. You might find yourself currently scanning the comments section, diligently searching for any mistakes to correct. Taking everything into account, this opportunity receives a respectable score of 7 out of 10. Next on the list, we have a fantastic opportunity for you to contribute to the healthcare industry without needing to wear scrubs or physically work in a clinic or hospital. It's called being a telehealth coordinator. Think of it as being a traffic cop, but for doctors. Instead of honking horns, you'll be managing video calls. Telehealth is an exciting advancement as it enables people to quickly consult with doctors to determine if an in-person visit is necessary, providing convenience for both patients and doctors. As a telehealth coordinator, your responsibilities will involve various administrative tasks. The demand for remote healthcare has increased significantly, especially considering recent global events. The beauty of this role is that you can perform it from anywhere with an internet connection. On average, you can expect to earn around $48,000 per year. Let's explore some of the pros of being a telehealth coordinator. First, you have the flexibility to work from home. You'll have the satisfaction of assisting people in the healthcare industry without direct patient interaction. Furthermore, the job market for telehealth coordinators is rapidly expanding. On the flip side, some potential cons include managing multiple appointments, which can be stressful, and the need to keep up with evolving healthcare technologies. Overall, this opportunity scores an impressive 7.5 out of 10 in terms of its potential. Let's move on to the third opportunity, which is perfect for multitaskers who enjoy interacting with people but prefer not to do so through video or phone calls. This role is called a live chat specialist. Think of it as being a therapist, but without the hourly charges. Interestingly, studies have shown that customers are highly satisfied when they have the option to engage in live chat rather than making phone calls or sending emails. As a live chat specialist, you'll function as a customer service representative, but your communication will be through typing instead of video or phone calls. Depending on the company, this job may involve additional incentives, such as promoting specific products and earning commissions. Getting started in live chat support is relatively easy, and on average, you can expect to earn around $43,000 per year. However, with incentive-based positions, you can potentially earn even more. Now, let's explore the pros of being a live chat specialist. Firstly, you have the flexibility to work from anywhere with an internet connection. You'll have the satisfaction of helping people and solving problems, with potential opportunities for advancement. On the other hand, cons may include dealing with frustrated customers and managing multiple chats simultaneously. If you enjoy multitasking and assisting others, becoming a live chat specialist could be the perfect job for you. In terms of opportunity, I would give this one an impressive score of 9.5 out of 10 due to its accessibility. So, for live chat specialists, this opportunity is highly promising. Now, let's discuss the next opportunity on the list, which is content moderator. Before we proceed, it's important to acknowledge that this job can be demanding, and selecting the right company to work for is vital. Being a content moderator can be likened to assuming the role of an internet bouncer. Your primary task is to maintain order by preventing unruly behavior and enforcing rules and guidelines. As a content moderator, you'll be reviewing user-generated content such as comments, photos, videos, and more. Some forms of content moderation may involve viewing explicit or disturbing videos, which can potentially have a traumatic impact on content moderators. However, there are other types of content moderation where your role is to ensure users stay within the guidelines without encountering such disturbing content. Content moderators earn an average of around $42,000 per year. Some of the pros of this job include flexible working hours, the ability to work from home, and the significance of the work being done. On the other hand, potential cons include exposure to disturbing content and facing high levels of scrutiny on your moderation decisions. It's important to approach content moderation without bias, avoiding the unfair banning of individuals based on their political beliefs. For example, getting into content moderation is relatively accessible, and there are numerous job openings available in this field. Considering these factors, I would assign an opportunity score of 7 out of 10 to this role. However, this type of job is often not intended for long-term careers, but rather offers quick entry into the job market. If you're seeking a remote job that allows you to leverage your technical expertise to ensure smooth business operations, then exploring the role of a business system administrator might be worth considering. While Excel can't solve all problems, business system administrators play a crucial role in managing and maintaining the software systems used by companies. Think of yourself as a skilled mechanic responsible for keeping the engine of a business running seamlessly. In today's rapidly changing technological landscape, companies must adapt to new technologies to survive. The demand for skilled business system administrators has consequently surged, making it an attractive field for remote job opportunities. Unlike some other positions, business system administration offers the potential for a long-term career. On average, professionals in this role earn around $97,000 per year. The advantages of this career path include competitive compensation, flexible work hours, and the ability to work remotely. However, continuous learning is very important in this field, as technology evolves rapidly. Additionally, during system outages, there may be instances of longer working hours. If you possess a knack for problem solving and enjoy fixing things, all while avoiding the hassles of office politics and commuting, a remote job as a business system administrator could be an ideal fit for you. Given the increasing difficulty of entry into this field, I would rate this opportunity with a score of 8 out of 10. Now, let's discuss a specific job opportunity with a well-known and highly reputable company. If you consider yourself a tech-savvy problem solver and are seeking a remote position with a globally recognized company, look no further than becoming an Apple Home Advisor. Apple Home Advisors have received overwhelmingly positive reviews online, with employees expressing great satisfaction in working for Apple. As an Apple Home Advisor, your primary responsibility will be remotely assisting customers with any issues they encounter regarding Apple products. Think of yourself as the emergency medical responder of the tech world, swooping in to save the day when an iPhone is acting up. Apple is known for regularly hiring new advisors, making this opportunity easily accessible. According to Glassdoor, Apple Home Advisors earn an average of $37,000 per year, along with reportedly fantastic benefits. The advantages of this role include remote work, comprehensive training, and the opportunity to work for a world-renowned company, which adds significant value to your resume. However, you may encounter irate customers, and the job might require working irregular hours to accommodate international customers. Familiarity with Apple products is also beneficial, given the wide range of Apple devices available. Considering the prestigious nature of the company, their consistent hiring practices, and the relative ease of entry into this position, I would rate the opportunity an 8 out of 10. The final opportunity on the list is for those who excel at providing exceptional customer service. If you have what it takes to go beyond traditional customer service roles, then the position of Customer Success Manager might be the perfect fit for you. It's worth noting that acquiring new customers can be significantly more expensive, approximately 5 to 25 times more, compared to retaining existing ones. This emphasizes the importance of delivering excellent customer service, and that's where customer success managers come in. They represent the pinnacle of customer service, focusing on building strong, long-term relationships with clients. The role of a customer success manager is becoming increasingly common, particularly for high-value products and services. This is particularly prevalent in the business-to-business, or B2B, industry, where businesses cater to other businesses. According to Glassdoor, customer success managers earn an average of $94,000 per year. Some of the advantages of this role include the ability to work remotely as well as the high demand for skilled professionals in this field. As a customer success manager, you will have the opportunity to work closely with clients, assisting them in achieving success. However, it's important to note that this position requires strong communication skills and may involve high-pressure situations. Considering the significant demand for customer success managers, the attractive compensation, and the opportunity to make a positive impact on clients' success, this opportunity receives an impressive 9.5 out of 10 on the opportunity score. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video, and have a great day. See you soon.